Monster. 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 Tank. 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 Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of mine. Today's video, we're gonna be trying to target some big fish today. I'm gonna try to throw some 8 to 12 inch baits. We're gonna start off casting them first. We'll probably jump right into that. But I got a good feeling today, so I'll see you guys then. Peace. Dude, I just pinned that perfectly. There you go, guys. Nice big mullet right there. Sort them out. Let's see which one we want to keep. Here, guys. There's some nice, probably, let's see, 11 and a half inch mullet right here. So we're gonna throw them in there. A little bit bigger than I wanted, but they're still gonna do. So. Well, smoked about that much in that throw. Pretty good. Not too bad at all. That should be done. So. Alright guys, I just dusted the mullet right there. Probably about like 20-25 in the net, but only around 5 to 6 of the really good big ones I wanted to fish today. That's alright, we'll throw around some big little ones, see if we can't get some fish in the boat. Hopefully a big one. But without further ado, I'll see you guys at the spot. Alright guys. I'll show you what rig I'm using later on in the video. But without further ado, let's grab a mullet and get started fishing. Hope to smack a giant snook or something. So let's get right into it. First, gonna hopefully. It's a bit too big, but let's just send it down for now. If I see smaller ones, I'll throw in a smaller one. But if you see a big one, we want a big one, you know. But what we're gonna do is just circle this guy right in the mouth. Hopefully a giant comes and eats him. This guy is a little bit bigger than what I'm used to using. It's probably like a 11 incher, but I mean, giant snook will still engulf that. Oh, dude, no, that was a school of a couple snook, but this big was way too big. I should have grabbed the smaller one when I saw him. Are those fish? I can't tell if these are fish or not. That one looks like it's moving. Oh, dude, those are fish. All right, let's grab a smaller bait. There's a snook. Eat it, dude. That's a good one. Dude, that's like a 32. Oh, let's go back to the big bait. Oh! Oh! My. Dude, he just frayed me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh? Oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh my, I'm shaking. Oh my God. Holy fuck. Oh. Dude, that was like a 45-inch snook. Dude, I'm shaking. Oh. Dude, I didn't even have a chance. I think he like frayed the leader. Or he frayed my braid. Oh my God, dude, I'm shaking. That was the craziest eat I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, oh, that was the craziest eat I've ever seen in my entire life. Dude, that was in fact the craziest eat I've ever seen in my entire life. Holy. Alright, what's up guys? So I just had to break off on that. Broke off on the dock right there. Had to retie, but quickly back and check with another juicy looking mullet. So let's see. Let's see what we can pull from out from another this guy's dock. It looks pretty good. Looks like, I feel like if I was a fish, I'd be under here, you know what I'm saying? But let's just keep it going. So I haven't seen one single snook under any of these really good looking docks, I'm not gonna lie, but oh, there's a behemoth under here. There's a giant under here. I see his tail. Oh, come back, get him, dude. I don't think that was him. The other one was a lot bigger. Oh, monster! 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 Tank! 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 Hit up the water, buddy. Be good with me. Oh my God. It's a tank. Oh my gosh. Be good with me. Whew. Loosen up right here. Oh. Play nice and slow. He's not a 40, but he is a tank. Bring him out in the open. Whew. That was a close one. Yeah, he's not a 40, he's maybe 39. But actually could be 40. That's a big one. Whew. Look at that one, guys. Absolute tank. Come out, smoked them all. That's the second tank of the day. Well, we'll count that first one I didn't catch. But, whew. Oh my gosh, dude, he could have easily got me off in that. All right, bud, play nice here. Whew. Dude, he absolutely dumped the crap out of that mullet. Oh, I got him. Oh, buddy, you're not going anywhere. Oh, that's a 40. Oh. That's a 40 right there, guys. Whoa. Actually, he's thick. I don't think he's a 40, but he's thick. All right. Take the time to get this fish right. 39-inch snook right there. Absolute tank, dude. He is so thick. Look at the girth on that guy. All right, let's get a quick pick. That tank, guys. Absolute bruiser. Absolute tank, guys. Whew. All right, let's put him back in the water real quick. Look at that fish, guys. Absolute bucket mouth on him. As you can see, he's kept him in the water this entire time. Got a nice good take care of this fish. Ooh, dude, I'm speechless, bro. Dump the crap out of that mullet. All right, spin him around. Look at the back on that fish, dude. By far, might be one of the biggest, thickest fish I've ever caught. Come on, bud, give me a good. He's ready, but I want him to get a little better. There he goes, guys. Check out that tank. Alright, what's up, guys? Had a great time filming today's video. If only I caught that big one at the beginning, but honestly, that's probably one of the biggest snook I've ever seen, one of the coolest eats I've ever seen, if the GoPro caught that. If not, oh well, at least we managed to catch one big snook, 39.5 inches if I pinch the tail. But they had a blast today filming this video. Man, I'm heartbroken on that one big one, but there's nothing you can do about it. He'll be there next time I go fish for him. Definitely work on doing more of these live mullet videos because they are really fun to film. And without further ado, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.